Introduction: Unveiling the Reality. Welcome to this eye-opening video on global warming. While it's a topic often discussed, the true extent of its impact is often underestimated. Today we'll dive deep into the science, the consequences, and the actions we can take to mitigate this crisis. The greenhouse effect, a delicate balance. To understand global warming, we must first grasp the concept of the greenhouse effect. Certain gases, such as carbon dioxide, trap heat within the Earth's atmosphere, much like a blanket. This natural process is essential for maintaining a habitable temperature. However, human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, have significantly increased greenhouse gas concentrations, leading to an imbalance. Rising temperatures, the heat is on. The consequences of this imbalance are becoming increasingly evident. Over the past century, the Earth's average temperature has risen by about 1 degree Celsius. While this may seem insignificant, it has far-reaching effects. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense, impacting not only human health, but also agriculture and wildlife. Melting ice, a watery grave. One of the most visible signs of global warming is the rapid melting of ice in polar regions. This not only contributes to rising sea levels, but also disrupts ecosystems. Species like polar bears, dependent on the ice for hunting, face an uncertain future. Additionally, the reflective properties of ice, known as the albedo effect, are diminished, further exacerbating warming. Extreme weather, unleashing nature's fury. Global warming is also intensifying extreme weather events. Hurricanes, droughts, and floods are becoming more severe, causing widespread devastation. The economic toll is staggering, with billions of dollars spent on recovery and rebuilding. Moreover, vulnerable communities, often lacking resources, bear the brunt of these disasters. Ocean acidification, a silent threat. The oceans, acting as a carbon sink, have absorbed a significant portion of the excess CO2. However, this has led to a concerning consequence: ocean acidification. As CO2 dissolves in seawater, it forms carbonic acid, making the water more acidic. This spells trouble for marine life, especially those with calcium carbonate shells, like coral reefs and shellfish. Tipping points, crossing the threshold. Perhaps the most alarming aspect of global warming is the existence of tipping points. These are critical thresholds in the climate system, beyond which irreversible and potentially catastrophic changes occur. For example, the melting of the Greenland ice sheet could trigger a significant rise in sea levels, affecting coastal cities worldwide. Mitigation and adaptation, the way forward. While the situation may seem dire, there is still hope. Mitigation, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, is crucial. This involves transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and rethinking our consumption patterns. Additionally, adaptation measures, such as building resilient infrastructure, are essential to cope with the changes already underway. Conclusion: our shared responsibility. In the face of this global challenge, it's crucial to remember that we all have a role to play. Whether it's advocating for policy changes, making sustainable choices in our daily lives, or supporting organizations working towards solutions, every action counts. The time for action is now, for the future of our planet and generations to come.